Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by prepping essentials and taking the first frames immediately. Set your camera to manual 24 frames per second and lock exposure and white balance so lighting stays constant. Mount the model on a secure armature and place it on a fixed base. Mark foot and head positions with tape. Once done, compose your shot and take a clean reference photo. Then capture the first 3 frames, moving the limb only a hair. This gives you motion continuity and a reliable baseline. You now commit to steady, deliberate movement and constant checking. Move the model in small increments, about 0.5 to 2 millimeters per frame, so the kaiju's motions feel organic. Larger shifts will jerk the sequence. Use counterweights and soft wire to support heavy parts, and add clay to rebalance after big poses. Once done with each 20 to 30 frames, play back the clip to inspect motion arcs and timing. Then correct any drift or snapping to keep the character's weight and momentum believable. You finish by cleaning the set, shooting buffer frames, and preparing for post. Remove visible tape and markers, smooth any exposed joints, then capture 5 to 10 neutral frames for transitions. Once done, import into your editor, stabilize if needed, color correct for consistent tones, and add subtle motion blur or dust effects to cell scale. If you see jitter during playback, stop. Check tripod and base stability. Reshoot the problematic frames with smaller moves, and only use interpolation when necessary to preserve stop-motion texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.